I'm going to show you how to replace the rear drive shaft on this Ram 1500. If you need parts for your vehicle, make sure you get those at oneauto.com. Let's get started. You want to make sure the rear wheels are off the ground. And then we're going to mark the drive shaft right here just with a marker. That's if you're reusing it. If you're replacing it, obviously you can't do this. Using a 15mm socket, I'm going to take these bolts out. Going to leave it in there temporarily. Take that one out. You can access the top ones. You want to do that as well. There you go. It helps to have the drive shaft in this orientation so that you can access these. Otherwise, you may have to put it in neutral and turn it. Or even using wrenches, you could use a 15mm wrench. Loosen that up. Now just support the drive shaft, take this last bolt out. And give it a tap. If tapping it doesn't work, just use a pry bar. Just pry it out. Just grab the drive shaft and slide it out. Slide the yoke into the differential. Get the rear flange lined up. You can get the bolts started. You put some thread lock adhesive on the bolts. Make sure that mark is lined up where you took it out. Now start snugging these down. Then we're going to torque all these bolts to 85 foot-pounds. There you go. Well, I hope this video helped you out, and if you need parts for your vehicle, make sure you get those at oneauto.com, and you can watch all those repair videos to help you with your installs. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.